Hello everyone, welcome to the Gate Point. In this video, I am going to cover how to find the set of all candidate key given some functional dependency. So candidate key is a very important topic that will help you in normalization and many other things. Okay. So what do I mean by saying I need to find the candidate key? Okay. So basically, candidate key contains minimal set of attributes. By taking closure on those attributes, I can find all attributes. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have to find the attribute, find the attribute which are not available on right side of this functional dependency. Okay, so there are these 6 attributes are there, out of which A are there, B is there on right side, C is there on right side, and D is there on right side. Okay, but E and H are not there on right side. Okay, so our candidate key will at least contain E and H both. Okay, so this is the minimal set that are not available on the right side of the our functional dependency. So first let's check what is the closure of these two attributes combinedly. Okay, so let's take closure. So EH would be same. So from E we can go to C. Okay, from E we can derive C. So C is there, and any other thing? No. From H nothing. From C also C nothing. Okay, so you can see that from closure of EH is just EHC. It doesn't contain all the attributes. Like all attributes, by saying all attributes I mean to say that it is not giving A, B, C, D, E, H all. Okay, so this is not a candidate key. Now move to some other. EH would be common. Now add any other key. So you can add A, B, C, D, E. So there are such possible things: EHA, EHB, EHC, EHD, yeah, and EH are already there. So okay, so these are the possible. Let's take closure of all these. Okay, so EHA. A can derive B, E can derive C, A can derive B, E can derive C. What H can derive? Nothing. BC, so B is there, C is there, and BC can combinedly derive D. So A, B, C, D, E, H all are derived. So this is a candidate key. All attributes are there. You can check A, B, C, D, E, H all are there. So this is a candidate key. Okay. Here now take closure of EHB. So EHB would be there on right hand side. From E we can go to C. From and nothing else. From BC we can go to D. From D we can derive A. Let's see if all attributes are there. A, B, C, D, E, H. Okay, all attributes are there. So this is also a candidate key. Okay. Plus closure of ESC. Now take closure of ESC. So E, H, C. From E we can derive C, but C are already there. And can we derive anything else? No. So this is not a candidate key. Now let's see EHD. Okay, so EHD. From D we can derive A. From E, as you can see, from E we can derive C. From E we can derive C, and anything else that we can derive? From E we can derive C, H nothing. From D I can go to A, and from A I can derive B. So let's see if all are there. A, B, C, D, E, H. So all are there. Okay, so these 3 are candidate key. Any other possible state? E, H, A, B, C, D, all things are there. Can we go to something like E, H, A, B? Can we consider this? No, because E, H, A is already a candidate key. Now if we add something in a candidate key, then it will become a super key. It will not be a candidate key anymore. Okay, so this is not possible. But we can take some combination of this EHC. Let's see. EHC was not a candidate key. Let's add something EHC. Let's add A on right hand side. Okay, and see if we can get anything. So E H, but still this will not be a candidate key. Why? Because E H A is already a candidate key, we are just adding C. Okay, so this is also not a candidate key because E H C. Okay, ESC was not a candidate key, but when you add A, it will become EHA, and EHA is already a candidate key, you are just adding C. It is similar to that, so we will not consider this. Okay, can we add B? No. Even if we add B, then again EHB was already a candidate key, and this will become a super key. Okay, so this is not a candidate key. Can we add C? No, C was already not. Can we add D? If we add D, it will again become a EHD was already a candidate key, so this is also not super key. Okay, so any other possibility? No. So number of candidate key is 3, so 3 is the answer. Okay, so you can try all such similar questions, and if you have any doubts, please comment below, and I think it covers all. Okay, just practice few questions, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. So thanks for watching this video.